back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a science experiment. And the name of that science experiment is called a magic volcano. So to make this magic volcano, you need a tray just so things don't get messy. And so we need a tray, a spoon, something to mix, and 25 milliliters of water, a test tube. If you don't have a test tube, you can just use like a cup. We need red food coloring, citric acid, be very careful with this, and baking soda. So, first, to make this, first we need to do is we have our measuring cylinder filled with water. And then next, we need to add 3 drops of food color into the measuring cylinder. 1 and 2. Okay, and we're gonna mix it. Okay. And now we're gonna use our test. Now we're gonna take our test tube and put two scoops of 2 scoops of baking soda. Just add a little bit more. Okay. And now we need 2 scoops of citric acid. Okay. Oh, it's already fizzing. Guess there's a little bit of water in this thing. That's fine. Oh, it's fizzing again. Okay. And now we're going to shake this so it mixes well. Just gonna shake it. Okay, shaking. Okay, now we're gonna pour the water from the measuring cylinder into this and watch. Whoa! Did you guys see that? It just exploded. Just like a real volcano. You guys, it's still fizzing. What happens if we add more citric acid? And don't feel free to add anything. Remember, science is all about trial and error. Add more of that. Nothing. Oh, it's fizzing up again. It was fizzing up again. Whoa. Oh. It's so cool, you guys. when it's pink too, my favorite color. Whoa, that looks super cool. Whoa, and the tray is all messy. The tray is all watery. This is why we need a tray while doing this. You can also use a plate, but yeah. And that's it for today. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Look at this volcano. Hi everyone. Earlier we did an experiment called Magic Volcano. So today I will be telling you the science behind that experiment. So the science is when citric acid and baking soda are mixed in water, a chemical reaction takes place. The fizz that we saw are bubbles of carbon dioxide gas being released. This same kind of fizz can be observed when a soda bottle is opened. So that is the science. This is the science due to a magic volcano. So I hope you enjoyed the video one more time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!